Good morning, guys. So it's 3 in the morning. We are here at Cebu South Bus Terminal. I'm with hashtag Vlogger Kigwa been in transit, and we are heading for an adventure. So see you guys sa Badian. And we are here at Moalboal for Pescador diving, and I hope the weather is okay because it's a bit gloomy. And this is my first time doing this stuff. I'm gonna be using my SJCAM during this trip, so vamonos!
I'm really sorry, guys. That's only what I got in Pescador because I am so unlucky, and also, you know, TANGA as in tanga, because I accidentally deleted all my clips in Pescador, all those video with the sea turtles and of course the sardines run. I hope that I can find something to recover my deleted files. And yeah, after our Pescador trip, in the morning we went to Badian in Cebu to do some canyoneering activity. So without further ado, here it is.
Every little moment, every little moment, when I try to hold.
Feel the power. Get the fuck up.
And yes, thank you, Sir Raymund, of this wonderful trip. Moalboal Island hopping, including Pescador, and diving with the sea turtles and the sardines run was my first time, and I really had a blast, except of the deleted clips. And of course, the canyoneering experience, which I really love because of the adrenaline and jumping from canyons to canyons and falls to falls. That's it, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and if you visit here in Cebu, don't forget to add it in your list. Firstly, the Pescador experience in Moalboal. Secondly, canyoneering activity in Badian. And thirdly, like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Love, love, love. Peace.
Hey guys, so just for an update, it's already evening and I'm currently here at Ayala Center, Cebu, and I successfully recovered only 6 videos from my Pescador trip. So sayang kaayo. 6 na ako na-recover out of, I think that's 50. I don't know. Anyway, I'll just show you what I recovered. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next vlog.